Hi,
I'm going to
Pankaj.
wrap up. I've got another meeting going to the other conference room. This is my cabin where I work from most of the time. Tell me, how are you, man? Rakul, so good to see you, man.
Thank you.
I saw the picture.
Yeah. बहुत बढ़िया.
Lovely. So I think we got a new member. Manisha had some questions. She said if she could join the group. Manisha, welcome. You are Nikhil's wife. Nikhil and I go back 20 years. Nikhil is a friend of mine. So good to see you.
Hi.
Okay, let's start with Q&A. Fatafat. We'll start with Honey first. Honey, you have anything to ask or say?
Yeah, but I think I can ask later. Let's take up Manisha's question first because she's starting her journey.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just wanted to know, like, what exactly is one meal a day? What does it comprise, and what else can you eat apart from juice and
Yeah, so
fruits
basically
and all?
first I want to know your body types. कफ पित्त वात कौन सा दोष है वो टेस्ट कर लो हमारा साइट पे होगा. Once you've done the test, we'll understand the kind of foods that you should eat, not eat. All of that will come into light. One meal a day means one cooked meal a day. जो आप
Okay.
पक्का खाना खाते हैं दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी वो दिन में खाना है. बाकी time you get up in the morning, you have a glass of juice, you have some fruits, and if your lunch is cooked, then like Yakul today has rajma chawal after 21 days. That was his cooked meal. Now he's going to be in Omads. तो अभी शाम को भूख लगेगी तो सैलेड खाएगा और सैलेड फायदा करेगा यकुल. अब क्यों? क्योंकि सैलेड से बॉडी में रफत जाएगा, फाइबर जाएगा. तो अब आप इमेजिन करो ये एक पाइप है, दिख रहा है देखिए विपिन. So imagine this is a pipe and it is fully blocked from inside, which was happening 21 days ago when your sugar levels were 220. Now this pipe has opened from inside. थोड़ा खुल गया लेकिन पूरा नहीं खुला. मेरा zoom कर मेरी तरफ से. So imagine this pipe gets a little opened up at this point in time, which basically means that the flow has started from the pipe, but it is not fully clean. Fully clean तो बचपन में होता है जब हम पैदा हुए थे at birth. So I'm glad a little bit of briefing would have happened. What I was saying was, imagine this entire concept of cleansing, right? So if you have a pipe, अभी जैसे हम युकुल को discuss कर रहे हैं and Manisha, so imagine you've got a pipe and the pipe is choked from the inside, and that's the reason why you have all kinds of ailments. It could be blood pressure, someone could be diabetes, some could be anything, and that pipe is primarily your large intestine. Most cases it's the intestine. Ayurveda में कहते हैं ना पेट साफ तो सारी बीमारी माफ. What we started 21 days ago was a major blockage, as a result of which there was a deficit in the release of insulin in the body. Because there's a deficit of release of insulin, the sugar levels tend to shoot up. Right? Now that you've cleansed it to a great extent, the flow has happened now. अब काफी flow हो रहा है, लेकिन पूरा perfect नहीं हुआ. पूरा perfect नहीं ऐसे what we call गड़गड़ कभी घटेगा, कभी घटेगा, कभी बढ़ेगा, कभी घटेगा. Right? लेकिन अभी ठीक है. अब अगर यकुल कल से ही starts eating 3 meals a day, butter chicken, छोले भटूरे and all, वो दोबारा चोक हो जाएगा 2 दिन में. Blood sugar will go again to 220. प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाएंगी. तो उसमें मेडिकल साइंस क्या कहती है? खाओ, खूब खाओ, साथ में गोली भी लो. नेचुरोपैथी क्या कहती है? You control your diet so that the pipe remains open. Now after 21 days of juicing, if he's getting into raw or one meal a day, which basically means today he had rajma chawal, now the rajma chawal is gone inside the body. थोड़ा वो blockage create करेगा, क्योंकि it is cooked food. थोड़ा पेस्टिसाइड्स है चावल में, थोड़ा राजमा में गैस है, थोड़ा मसाला है, कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हर चीज में होता है. लेकिन नाउ व्हेन ही हैज हिज सैलेड, अब शाम को भूख भी लगेगी. अब क्यों? क्योंकि बॉडी का डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम दोबारा चालू हो गया है. नाउ द बॉडी नोज कि खाना आएगा, सो इट विल आस्क फॉर फूड, एंड इफ यू डोंट ईट इट कॉज ब्लोटिंग. सो ही शुड ईट. एंड व्हाट शुड ही ईट? ही शुड ईट रॉ. ही इज अ कफा बॉडी टाइप. तो कफा में कच्चा ककड़ी, मूली, गाजर जो खाना है अच्छे से खाएगा. द मोमेंट ही ईट्स दैट विल गो इनसाइड और वो 15 मिनट में डाइजेस्ट होगा वो. और वो जब डाइजेस्ट होगा वो पुश करेगा यहाँ से, और यहाँ से निकलेगा तो अपने साथ पुराना राजमा चावल का जो लेफ्ट ओवर है वो भी साफ करता जाएगा. So with OMADs, it is recommended that you eat your fruits and salads so that it keeps the cleansing process on and the intake of fiber is good. But again, Ayurveda says never force anything. Only when you are hungry should you eat, and if you are not hungry, do not eat. Right? Now, Yakul के केस में tomorrow he might feel like having some nice, he's not eaten for 21 days, he might feel like eating chole bhature or whatever. So please eat that as one meal a day. परसों he might not feel like eating at all. So very good, don't eat. पूरा दिन सैलेड खाओ, फ्रूट्स खाओ, सैलेड खाओ, फ्रूट खाओ. 3 दिन बाद पार्टी करने का मन करेगा तो eat. Right? So listen to the body. So OMAD is one cooked meal a day and followed with juices and salads. Juice का rule है never have a juice over a cooked meal. Juice हमेशा खाली पेट पीना होता है, liquid. खाने से पहले पानी पीना होता है, खाने के बाद पानी नहीं पीना होता है. खाने से 1 घंटे पहले पानी पीना होता है कम से कम. खाने के बाद पानी पीते आप खाना खाओगे तो क्या होगा, आपकी जितनी भी अग्नि है, भूख है, उसमें आप पानी डाल दोगे तो बुझ गया, तो खाना कैसे पचेगा. इसलिए कहते हैं खाने से 1 घंटे पहले and 1 hour after food is when you have the water. So Manisha, what I want you to do is identify your body type, and once you've identified the body type, we'll take it from there in terms of what your diet should be, and we'll make you a chart for that. And we also need to know if you have any ailments.
No, no ailments.
Perfect. बहुत बढ़िया. तो आप क्यों करना चाह रहे हो? कुछ मोटिवेशन होगा ना लाइफ में?
I have done juicing before for 3 to 5 days, and I've benefited overall, like in terms of energy levels and all. So I want to try it now for longer.
Now, what is the logic of this group? The logic of the group obviously is information exchange, motivation, and more recipes and more stuff, and you like-minded people. So if you spend an evening with 5 alcoholics, you'll end up drinking with them. If you spend a day with 5 juicers, you'll probably end up juicing with them, right? So that's as simple as that.
Yeah.
Juicing is going to help you clean up the system even better. Yes, my friend Yakul Patak.
Yeah, so you said juicing, juices we should have only on empty stomach. So after the meal, we should not have any juice, only raw fruits and vegetables.
After a cooked meal, तो आपको 1 घंटा तो कुछ भी नहीं खाना, कुछ भी नहीं पीना.
हाँ, वो जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. But rest of the day, like I had meal in the afternoon. Now evening में I should not have. Ideally, I should not drink juice, right?
नहीं अभी तो खाना खाए हो गए ना, 3-4 घंटे हो गए ना. You can have your juice now. अब वो पच चुका है, वो अपना सिस्टम बन चुका है उसका.
Okay.
Give it a break of minimum 1 hour, and ideally 3-4 hours. You give it a break, and now you're good to go. You can have a glass of juice if you're thirsty, and do not deprive the body. Again, झटका नहीं देना. अभी क्योंकि 21 दिन से बॉडी को डेली जूस मिल रहा है, दिन में 2 बार 3 बार, अब अचानक बंद कर दिया है. तो अब 1 गिलास तो जूस पी लो आज, कल पी लो, दिन में 1 गिलास तो जूस रखो और उसको छानो मतलब. Let the fiber go inside the body.
Okay.
And in the evening, if you're hungry, you have a salad or have a fruit, whatever your body suggests. And in the morning, have it. But for the next at least 3 weeks, do not have the second meal. OMADs पे बहुत strictly बने रहो और बहुत आसान है. तो अब you must be thinking कि कल क्या मिलेगा lunch में. Okay, next. Oh, by the way, I've eaten nothing since morning. I've been a fast morning. I'm feeling so great. I was feeling so heavy. I had a heavy dinner yesterday, and I'm feeling so energetic. I can't tell you. And I hope I can go like that for the rest of the day. But I've got another meeting, so I might end up having a business dinner. But let's see how things pan out. Who's next? We got Hani Khanduja with the camera on and glowing. And the local time behind Hani is 6:25. So you're in India, Bangalore. Tell us.
Yeah. So I want to. You asked me to do LFP for 3 days consecutively. आज नहीं किया मैंने because without doing it, I had to rush to the washroom twice. I don't know how it happened. And Ludi's kind of also. So I was thinking that maybe the warm water with salt generally were working. So I can do LFP from tomorrow?
Yeah. It's a regular cleanse. You can do it tomorrow. Do it for 2 days if you haven't done it. 2 or 3 days back to back. So
Days
that a thorough cleanse from the inside.
Yeah. I would definitely want to check my stats again and want to understand my protocol कि अब क्या करना है. As of now, I want to stick to OMAD and preferably lunch. So for the dinner, can I do salad and soup? Or
Are you Vata?
Yeah, I was a Vata. Do you think I should test it again once?
थोड़ा बहुत विकृति change होती है, but if you're structurally a Vata, just be careful of too much raw vegetables because they cause gas and bloating.
Yeah.
So you go with the stuff that suits your body type. There will be things that you like, there will be things that you don't like. So allow the body to tell you. But what is recommended when you're having a salad as a Vata, add a drop of olive oil. Add some senda namak or rock salt, which you will like. You love salt with your salads. add that, and if you're low on pith, add a drop of lemon, and add the olive oil is very good for you, raw olive oil.
Okay. So I
Wow.
can raw veggies as a salad, but with olive oil and maybe some dressing, right?
Yeah, have the dressing and just see how the body responds, because जैसे वाता में क्या होता है, मूंगफली खाते ही लोगों को एकदम ब्लोटिंग हो जाता है, गुजराती मूंगफली. Many people have that problem, whereas in the case of pith, it seems to be working. So the human bodies, besides the category of Vat, Pitta and Kapha, each body has a unique reaction to some certain grains and certain vegetables. So that is something that you will test. For example, castor oil. So when I used to have castor oil, the first time I tried a castor oil was about 4 or 5 years ago. I did like bloody 5-6 spoons, had no effect on me. Today, 1 spoon and I'm done.
Yeah.
So that shows that the body is much more potent now. I would like to believe that the body is much more reactive and responsive. And in some cases, I spoke to a lady yesterday, I think, कल या परसों किससे बात हुई थी, she was saying she had 3 spoons but no effect. So I
Yeah.
told her, try 5. Let's see how the body responds. And if you do yoga, which is stretches, left twist, right twist, and you open up your spine, you will notice that the body immediately becomes potent, which means जो effect 3 spoon में हो रहा है वो 2 में हो जाता है. I've seen a direct correlation of yoga and this thing, castor oil, right? So you continue with the protocol, continue with 1 meal a day, and your body will reach a point where, because you're a fully grown up adult, there is nothing much left to grow in the body. You'll be happy with that content. But there'll be times when you feel hungry.
Yeah.
You're really starving and you want to have a poha or a paratha or whatever. So if you really want to have it.
Yeah.
लेकिन क्या पता उस दिन जिम किया, वर्कआउट किया, शाम को भूख लग गई बहुत ज्यादा,
Yeah.
तो खा लो उस दिन,
Right.
फिर 2 दिन भूख नहीं लगेगा. So how your body responds is again very different. So 1 meal a day does not mean that every day has to be an average of. Weekly average should be 7.
Got it.
ठीक है यकुल, हफ्ते में 7 बारी खाना खाना है आपको. अब दिन में डेली 1 खा लो, किसी दिन 2 खा ली तो अगले दिन मत खाना. वो एवरेज आपकी बॉडी आपको गाइड करेगी. बॉडी गाइड करेगी. एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस. कभी नींद आएगी, आज मेरा जिम जाने का इतना मन था, I can't tell you, I wanted to go to the gym, go for a run, and then have a nice lunch meal. I just couldn't go. I was just so sleepy in the morning. I got up at 5 o'clock, then I did my whatever I had to do. And at 7 o'clock, I was yawning. Yeah, I put some music and I crashed off for 2 hours. I got up, again I went PC, again I crashed off. Right now I'm full of energy. Understand? The body goes through its patches, but the body is so beautiful when it wants to recover from the inside. It will put you in a sleep mode. ये बॉडी का एक कुदरत है. जो बॉडी क्योरिंग कर रही है, अपने आप आपको सुलाएगी. इट विल वॉक यू, योर आईज विल क्लोज. यार कुछ भी हो जाए, यू वांट टू स्लीप, सो लेट इट डू दैट.
या दैट्स ट्रू.
खाना खाते ही लोग को आदत है खाना खा के वॉक करो. बहुत बढ़िया है. खाना खाते ही मत करो ना, खाना खाने के 10 मिनट बाद वॉक करो.
राइट.
दैट इज वेल, बिकॉज अब तुमने खाना खाया है, यू ईट उठ के देन यू स्टार्ट वॉकिंग अराउंड. अरे बॉस, will the body digest the food or will it give you energy to walk? Give it 10 minutes for the food to settle. After it has settled, then you walk, and never walk brisk. धीरे धीरे आराम से चलो. खाली पेट भागो, खाली पेट जॉगिंग करो. खाना खा के थोड़ा ना लोग चल पड़ते हैं 4-4 किलोमीटर तेज स्पीड पे. जब ब्लडी वो बैकफायर कर देगा, बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं करेगी खाना.
राइट.
So that's what the entire thing is. So you follow the body. The body is very intelligent. It will tell you everything, what needs to be done, what needs not to be done. It will guide you to it.
Yeah. A couple of things, Pankaj. Can I start eating my dry fruits and soaked nuts that I was doing before?
Yes.
Yeah, I can do that.
तेरा overweight तो नहीं है ना कुछ, honey?
नहीं, मेरा weight ठीक है. You wanted to
enjoy the nuts.
help
Enjoy
me
the
come
nuts.
49 or 50. I'm still at 53.
हाँ तो हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. 53 मतलब 3 किलो है. ओमैड्स में 1 महीने में आराम से चले जाएगा.
Yeah, so I'm not worried about the weight, to be very honest, but yeah, save for fruits and walnuts and pista, so I can start that. Also, I was wondering, मेरा sleep जो है, I mean, is still disturbed after 21 days in those 21 days also, it was not very good sleep. Should I try with a chamomile tea in the night?
I've never tried it. I've heard about it. So see if it works for you. But sleep is all in the mind, yeah.
I get that.
वाता के साथ ये हमेशा इशू रहता है sleep का.
तो
Bड़ी
तो
वाता-
मेरे को बहुत लग रहा है स्ट्रांगली, क्योंकि मुझे ना सुबह मेडिटेशन करने के बाद, बिकॉज यू आस्क मी टू रेगुलरली मेडिटेट, आई एम डूइंग दैट. मेडिटेशन के बाद इतनी अच्छी नींद आती है, और 1 घंटा, बट दैट इज माय ऑफिस टाइम, आई कांट डू दैट.
Hold on. Meditate before you sleep in the night.
ओके, कूल, गेट इट.
सुबह मत करो meditate.
ठीक है, आई विल डू दैट देन.
Because many times when you do pranayam, मुझे भी होता है जब अनुलोम विलोम करो. अनुलोम विलोम is one of the world's best natural sedatives. You know that?
ओह,
तो रात को नींद ना आए, नींद क्यों नहीं आती? क्योंकि ये ख्याल आता है वो क्या सोच रहा होगा, वो क्या कर रहा होगा, इसका क्या होगा, उसका क्या होगा, कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग भटकता है. तो जब आप अनुलोम विलोम करो, आपका ध्यान सांस में चला जाता है और आपको नींद आ जाती है.
या,
वो अनुलोम विलोम. एंड इन योर केस यू आंसर्ड योर ओन क्वेश्चन ना. मेडिटेशन करने के बाद नींद आती है तो मेडिटेशन सुबह क्यों करो, शाम को करो सोने के टाइम. करूंगा.
ठीक है, आई विल ट्राई दैट, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वांट टू ऐड अननेसेसरली द कैमोमाइल टी. या, गॉट दैट.
Chemicals cannot make you sleep. Chemicals में there is a very nice tablet called Restil, which is allopathic. Restil, लिख लो, RESTYL, which my friend Dr. Mehta also recommends. Supposedly it is very light, but it is an allopathic sedative, right? तो कभी जैसे कल मीटिंग है बहुत बड़ी, important, है ना? And you have a presentation, you're presenting to 100 people, and that anxiety is keeping you up all night long. तो you pop half a pill and crash off. हफ्ते में 1-2 बारी कभी-कभी चल जाता है, but don't make it a habit.
Restil, right?
I can't recommend. I'm not an MBBS doctor. I'm just sharing experience. RESTYL.
Okay, cool.
It's not an OTC drug. You'll have to have a doctor to recommend it to you.
Okay, got it.
Not OTC, हाँ. और मेहता साहब करते हैं, कभी-कभी होता है ना कि बात कफ वाले जो होते हैं ना, कफ वाले बड़े शांत होते हैं. जैसे यकुल है. अब वर्ल्ड वॉर 3 भी छिड़ जाएगी ना, उसको सोना है, वो सो जाएगा.
Absolutely.
This is a trait. And you
ये
can see
ये मेरे घर, पंकज भाई, ये मेरे घर में मेरी और मेरी वाइफ की लड़ाई का सबसे बड़ा कारण है. She is talking and I just sleep.
Have you ever told me this, यकुल? ये बात बताइए मुझे कभी.
नहीं. Every day we have fight over this.
तो
Every
बड़े साधु संत स्वामी बन जाते हैं, वो ऐसी बात बोलते हैं, दूसरे कहते हैं आप भगवान हो, आपको कैसे पता लगा, है ना? तो ये तो सब लिखा हुआ है और शक्ल पे भी दिख जाता है, you know, stress and all. Preeti is also आता है, she is very stressed, she is very insecure. ये क्या होगा, वो क्या होगा, इसका क्या होगा, उसका क्या होगा, किसी का कुछ नहीं होगा. ठीक है? Look at a picture of the earth today, and after you are gone, the earth picture will still remain the same. Nothing will change. That's the truth of life, right? So सबके क्वालिटीज होते हैं. अब यकुल का देखो फायदा है, कभी भी सो सकता है. जो पित्त, कई लोग हैं, I know पित्त. These buggers, you tell them to wake up at 3 o'clock, they'll go to the 3 o'clock, wake up, go to the washroom and go take a flight. You wake them at 6 o'clock to wake up at 6, go to the washroom and take a flight. Anytime, no problem. वात वाले को तुमने रात को 3 बजे जगा दिया, उसका पूरा दिन खराब हो जाएगा.
I know, and that's the reason I'm really suffering, because वो मेरे एक नींद वाला पैटर्न ठीक हो जाए ना, पूरा दिन अच्छा हो जाए.
आपने पंकज कितना सही पकड़ा है ना. I have stopped taking early morning flights. One day I missed 2 flights. Morning 6 o'clock flight I missed. I got up, I booked another flight for 11 o'clock. I missed that too. And I was supposed to reach, Chandigarh from Bangalore, attend a wedding, and then from there go to Mumbai. I missed that flight also since I couldn't reach Chandigarh. I mean, उस दिन मैंने कसम खा ली, from that day, even like I'm getting it for $500, I'll not book the ticket because I'll waste it.
Yeah, correct. So these are things that you'll have to work on, but do the meditation in the evening. मैंने पहले किया था, in 2018-19 I was in a rough patch, so I started evening meditations and all. Very helpful, but then business couldn't let me sustain it here. So let's see, but meditation will help you, Anikandula. And you have to do a lot of Anulom Vilom.
I'll do that. I'll add to it. But yes, yoga has really helped me along with the diet. I kept on looking at the long messages coming in the group, and I wanted to write my own long message also. But yeah, I think this 21 days journey has been really amazing. And more than the reduction of the weight, I was actually looking on the picture lagaun because you wanted a picture. So I was like, itne pictures khiche hain. But the point was, it's not about losing weight. It's not about anything else, but it's about having a good insight of your own body. Like, what do you want? What do you do not want? How your body reacts? You do not need so much of food like we crave for. And I think with this 21 days, there's a lot more clarity of your own body. And like I said before, it's the power of your mind. So you can conquer the world with mind. So that's not the food that we want. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone, each one of you. And I used to listen to everybody's question ki किसी और का वाता है तो अच्छा उनको भी घी खाने को बोला है, मैं भी घी खाऊंगी. So I think सबके question helpful होते हैं. And definitely, Pankaj, I really appreciate the kind of patience and the kind of hearing and the love that you have shared with all of us with your insight. Really can't thank you enough. Thank you so much.
Thank you, honey. Good to see you happy and bright.
Yes.
Hey, Preeti Goel, Singapore. You have any questions, Preeti? Hi, tell me how you're doing.
So you had told me to go on OMAD, and yeah, yesterday you told me to go on OMAD and रात को soup लेने के लिए. So yesterday I was very good. I was on OMAD, and morning my weight was even lesser. I lost another 500 gram in a day, even being on an OMAD. आज मैं OMAD पे थी. दिन में खिचड़ी खाई थी और अभी रात को फिर से खिचड़ी खा गई, जबकि I was supposed to be on soup, but I had खिचड़ी again. तो अब गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आई एम जस्ट वरीड कि एक बार मुंह खुल जाता है तो अब ज्यादा नहीं खाने लग जाओ. आई हैव अ ओवर ईटिंग.
अभी देखो, हफ्ते में 7 बारी खाना खाना है कुक में, तो आज 2 बारी खा लिया तो कल परसों में एक बारी मिस कर देना.
ठीक है.
It'll average out, but continue, keep dropping the extra kilos of your body. You are also overweight, Preeti, no?
4 kilos.
Let's get rid of the entire thing. Let's
ठीक
polish
है.
it. हो जाएगा. 4 किलो 4 हफ्ते में चला जाएगा. Follow the OMAD.
Do OMAD for months, 4 weeks now.
Very easy. 2 दिन की आदत है. 2 दिन में आदत पड़ जाती है. 3 दिन नाश्ता मत करो, नाश्ते की आदत छूट जाती है. 4 दिन डिनर मत करो, डिनर की आदत छूट जाती है. 4 दिन डेली पार्टी विद योर फ्रेंड्स, 5वें दिन खाली खाली लगेगा. 5 दिन घर बैठ जाओ, 6वें दिन जाने का मन नहीं करेगा. So the body is the human mind, the body, they get conditioned very quickly. So you continue with OMADs since you're slightly overweight, and it will be very, very good for you.
Okay, I'll do that. Oh, actually everyone was sitting on the dinner table, तो खाया गया. That's the problem. I need to avoid.
Have a big bowl of soup.
Yeah, ठीक है.
Soup तो non-cook में आ जाएगा. Soup है भले cook, but it's good. Have a lot of vegetable soup. उसमें put broccoli, have mushroom soup, have
Okay.
vegetable, have tomato soup, but make sure it's all made, not from a packet.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Everything
you
is
got
good. I'm happy to see the weight loss today.
That's a good motivation. Yeah, you will see a lot of more changes: glow, weight loss, energy levels. It's very simple. You have the same heart that you had 21 days ago. The heart hasn't changed, right? Yes, 21 days ago it was pumping for 55 kilos. Today it's pumping for 50 kilos, or whatever the number is. So obviously, much more efficient. It's like a generator running a load with a capacity of 10 air conditioners. If you're running 15 air conditioners, तो load तो पड़ेगा ना generator में. अब जैसे जैसे load reduce कर दोगे 10 से 9, it will become even more efficient. 10 से 0 नहीं करना, फिर generator बंद हो जाएगा.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Yeah, so that's the full analogy. But good, keep running the weight. Cecil, hi, you have any questions? Dina, hi, good to see you, Dina. Put up the camera. It's UK 2 p.m. in UK, I believe, 2:10.
Yeah.
Nice. Is it still sunny or is it like gone?
Absolutely sunny. So it's loving the sun.
Nice. I'm gonna come over soon. We'll catch up.
So you coming here?
I will. I mean, let's see if March. We're sitting in May, na? June or July goes khali. Beach mein if I get a week or something off, then I'll swing by for 2-3 days. Say hi to you.
That'll be nice.
And to eat with you.
For me, I've finished my 21 days. It hasn't been a challenge because I'm used to having this kind of food and meal. But what I've noticed is motivation, and I've had a lot of energy which I had to use. And my sleep was really, really good for 21 days. I've had a full sleep, which I've never had before. So
Sorry,
that's
sorry to cut you. Sorry to cut you. Dina, hi Vata. Honey.
Yeah.
Dina again same Vata, but she slept so well for 21 days. खाली पेट
Yeah.
नींद बहुत अच्छी आती है.
I wasn't khali pet. I was having my 1 meal a day in the evening.
What time?
About 4 o'clock,
And what time would you sleep?
9 o'clock.
खाली पेट you होना Dina. 5 hours later.
Very
Yeah.
true. Yeah.
खाली पेट
Yeah.
you slept empty stomach. खाली पेट अच्छी नींद आती है.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
but good.
I had my MOT done today, so I'll find out the results probably within a couple of days. So let's see.
Yeah. Lovely, Dina. So nice to hear from you, and always so nice to see you. And thank you for hosting me in Bhuj. That meeting with that old 50-year-old man was like a game changer, man. I just loved that thing and the powder that he made. Amazing stuff.
It was nice to see you too. Okay.
Sejal,
Yes,
how are you,
fine.
man?
Yeah, I'm fine. Actually, yesterday I went for a dinner and I had something all and 2 onion pakoda and 1 batata vada and all that stuff. So today my stomach was upset. I had my lunch at 12. I was very hungry. So I had my lunch, but after that my stomach was really upset.
Yeah.
So today I thought of having soup and saute veggies instead of raw. So is it okay?
Yes. If you feel
Okay.
like having it, if your body is asking you, इसका मतलब
Yeah.
वात थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है ना. जब वाता बढ़ जाता है अपने आप body craves for soup or sorted stuff.
Yeah.
And go for it.
और स्टमक भी ब्लोट हो गया है बहुत मेरा.
हाँ, बात है ना, यही बात में ब्लोटिंग होता है, गैस.
आज
बात
ब्लोट
क्या
हो
होता है,
गया.
एयर एंड स्पेस होता है बात. तो ब्लोटिंग हो रहा है, इसलिए आपको मन कर रहा है फ्राइड खाने का. आपका ज्यादा मन करेगा, और अगर बहुत तेज, हाँ, यू हैव योर सॉर्टेड वेजिटेबल्स, गरम सूप पियो, वो सारा
हाँ
रिलीज.
हाँ.
नमक
Yeah.
जरूर डालना. Put
Yes,
some
yes.
a little bit of काला नमक हमारी.
Okay. So rest everything is fine.
Lovely. Chalo, thank you
Thank
everyone
you
for
very
a
much.
lovely session. Tomorrow
Yeah,
again we'll
I completed my 15 days, 3 days for juicing and then OMAD. So today is my 15th day.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, and I'm thinking of continuing for a few more days. 16th, I'll be traveling. So I hope till then I can continue.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Listen to the body, follow the body, you're on the right
Yeah.
track. And
Thanks a lot for motivating all of us.
thank you very much.
It's really good.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Great. Vinod? So lovely. Good. So we shall connect inshallah tomorrow at 6 p.m. I'm going to be in Bombay, but I will try and log in at least for 15 minutes, and we're going to wrap up whatever we can. And good luck to all of you guys. Keep up the diet. This 21 days just an introduction, but then was how we maintain the lifestyle and,
Yeah.
and remain happy and healthy all the time.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yakul, you've decided your lunch for tomorrow?
I haven't decided it yet. देखते रात को किस चीज का सपना आता है.
बट अभी थोड़ा ना एक्सरसाइज वगैरह यकुल स्टार्ट करो, प्राणायाम, योगा एंड ऑल, क्योंकि आप डायबिटिक थे. होपफुली वो क्योंकि रिबाउंड ना मारे, इसलिए जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट द इनटेक इज वेरी वेल बैलेंस्ड. एंड जो एक्स्ट्रा चले जाए वो अगले दिन निकल जाए. सब्जी फाइबर खाओ, सुबह पेट 100% साफ होना चाहिए. ट्विस्ट करो, प्राणायाम करो, एक्सरसाइज करो, ताकि वो धीरे धीरे गड़गड़ करके सेटल हो जाए परमानेंट. अभी वो 2-3 महीने तक वो रिस्क रहेगा रिबाउंड का. Understand? So the body, once it crosses the threshold, एक मैं बड़ा सस्ता सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. If it's suppose someone is addicted to cocaine, for example, hypothetically, and वो किसी आप उसको 21 दिन के लिए लॉक कर दो, तो 21 दिन तो नहीं पी पाएगा बेचारा, लेकिन 22वें दिन उसको खुला छोड़ दो और क्या बेटा चल एक कभी थोड़ा लगा लो, तो the probability of him going back to it is very high.
Right.
because the body is there. Na? But if you cross 2, 3, 4 months, then you're done. Same thing with the diabetics. क्योंकि अगर continuously for 1 month, if you maintain your sugar below 130 or 120 or whatever the right number is, then I can guarantee you are sorted for life. फिर कभी ऊपर भी जाएगा ना, ऊपर भी जाएगा तो बॉडी एकदम सरदर्द होगा, आलस होगा, डिप्रेशन होगा, नींद आएगी, कुछ ऐसा होगा जो एक्सपीरियंस अनुभव आपको पसंद नहीं आएगा. एंड
Right.
दैट विल टेल यू कि बॉस आज मत कर यार, बॉडी मान नहीं रही.
Okay.
You know, they say
ठीक है.
pain is the best friend. Pain is your best friend. Pain is telling you there's a problem. And you got to listen to the pain. If there is no pain, then actually you will just keep building diseases inside you with nothing telling you, right? So you'll have to allow the pain to tell you there's a problem. All of you have gone through mood swings, headaches. People who had a knee problem had seen the knee pains, shoulder aches, insomnia, loose motions, all of that, right? That's all part of the process, right? So once you see pain, the pain is only curing you. And the pain is telling you that there is a problem which needs to be sorted.
Acha, can I just check one thing? You told me not to eat tomorrow, but I can have just vegetables?
Yeah, vegetables is part of raw. Ubla hua khao, steamed khao, sorted khao. Have your vegetables all day long, no problem.
ठीक है.
अनाज मत खाओ, डेयरी मत खाओ, तो
ठीक
आपका
है.
वेट लॉस चलता रहेगा. सब्जी का ध्यान रखो, गोल्डन रूल प्रीति. सब्जी के साथ जितना अंदर जाता है वो पूरा बाहर निकलता है अगर चबा के खाओ.
Okay.
So you can never increase your weight provided you are eating as per appetite, right? अनाज अटकता है, डेयरी अटकती है, मीट अटकती है.
Okay.
Yeah. And
ठीक
if
है.
you're a vata, cooked vegetables or boiled vegetables, मतलब cooked मतलब ये नहीं कि उसमें दुनिया भर का मसाला और चाट मसाला ठोक के खाइए सब्जी, वो प्रॉब्लम करेगा. Have a nice boiled vegetable or sorted vegetable with little bit of salt, सेंधा नमक, जीरा, धनिया. I mean, you guys are better cooks than I am. I'm sure you know more about food than I do. So keep it light.
Okay. Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
Thank you, Vimsi. Bye.
thanks a lot.
Everyone,
Bye.
bye. Thank you.